Good morning, dear students. This is class 10, computer class. Today we will continue chapter 2, Introduction to Java. In last class, I explained you typecasting, in which I explained you implicit conversion and explicit conversion. Today we will study about mixed type in an expression. It means if in your expression there will be two types of variables are included. You know that an expression can be made up by with the help of operators and operands. So if in any expression there may be same type of variables, same data type of variables, or it may be possible it is the combination of two or more type of variables. Their data types can be different. In this case, compiler will give the result in the higher data type. Means which data type variable we are using in our expression among those which is the higher, or you can say highest data type, result or output will come in the higher data type. For example, if we have two variables n1, n1 is of double data type, its value is 11.3. Second variable is n2, it is of integer data type and its value is 5. Then if we want the output in the variable ans, then we will write ans is equals to n1 plus n2. In this case, ans means output will come in the data type double. Means it will produce the ans means output in the double data type. Because if we will compare integer and double data types, double is the higher data type in comparison to integer. Special cases of integer division. Means if we want to divide two integers, means your dividend is integer and divisor is also integer. For example, if we want to divide a number 5 by another integer 4. If we want to divide one integer 5 by second integer 4, and we want the correct output, it means we want the output in decimal form, correct, full answer we want, then we can write double result is equals to 5 divided by 4. But it will show error, because if an integer will be divided by an integer and another integer, then it will give the output only in integer, not in double. So how we can write? We can make any one as the decimal, either the dividend or the divisor. So we can write double res, means in which we will store the output 5.0 divided by 4, or we can write 5 divided by 4.0. Or we can make both dividend or divisor as in the decimal form. It means if we will divide decimal by decimal, or if your dividend is decimal in decimal form and divisor is in integer form, then also result will be correct. In case if your dividend is integer and divisor is decimal, then also it is correct. It means integer by double or double by integer or double by double. In this way your output will correct, but integer by integer, and if you want the output in double data type, then it will show the error. Same way, if we have one variable n1 in the value is 5, another variable n2 its value is 4, both are of integer type, and we want to store result in res which is of double type, and we can initialize this as 0 0.0. Then if we will write res is equals to n1 by n2, it will again show the error because integer by integer it cannot give the output in double data type. So we can make any of these variable, and either n1 or n2 we can convert by using implicit data type, means we can write double in the bracket. We can write double in the bracket n1, means we are converting n1 variable into double, or we can write n1 divided by, in the bracket we will write double n2, means here we are converting n2 into double data type which was previously integer data type, means its value which it was stored, it was in integer, now we are converting into double. So we can perform in this way also. First we will convert either of the dividend or the divisor into double, and then we can divide. Or another option, one more option is available, any of the variable either divisor or dividend we can multiply by 1.0. You know that if we will multiply any number by 1, then the product will not be affected. In the same way, if we will multiply by 1.0, output product will be same, but what happened? It will be now in decimal form. So decimal divided by integer, now it is okay. It will give the correct output. So conclusion is that we can divide either integer by decimal or decimal by integer or double by double, decimal by decimal. All are correct. One more topic we have, that is package. Package is a collection of related classes, methods, variables and interfaces which are predefined and which a programmer can use in his application. For example, we are using java.io. Why? Because if we want to perform any input output work, then we have to include java.io. Or you are using java.util also. So java.util, if you have included this package in your program, then it means you can perform input output, you can use the mass class. So in this way, if such type of packages are if packages you will include in your program, then you can use related classes, related methods, related variables and interfaces in your program. Okay, so um, kindly read these topics thoroughly from your books also. Next day we will discuss input output statements and scope of variables. Till that time, have a great day. Thank you.